Hi, good morning. Welcome to R2DIAGNOSTIC. Today I'd like to demonstrate how the Ghost Immobiliser works on the vans. Customer was asking me how they work, so there's no such a video. So, right, we're getting into vehicle, turn ignition on, lights come up, the vehicle won't start. So we try one more time, it doesn't start, remove the key from the ignition, put it back on, ignition on. As a demonstration, I set the pin indicator flash twice, and then you can simply start the car. Of course, we can use many buttons on the steering wheel and other. The pin has to be pressed up to 20 times. Simply you can't start without. If you wait a few seconds, try restart it, never starts, so you have to use the pin again. Then you can restart it. Okay, if you're interested to fit one of those systems in your vehicle, just let me know. You've got a link below and also contact number. Thank you very much for watching.